Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you the Apple Watch Series 8 review. We will discuss and talk about with the incredible features and improvements in the Watch Series 8. So let's dive right in and see what the buzz is all about. The first thing first, let's talk about the design. The Apple Watch Series 8 sports a stunning new look with a sleek and refined aesthetics. It boasts a larger and more immersive display that stretches closer to the edges, giving you more screen to interact with. If we talk about the design technology has also been a significant upgrade, resulting in even more vibrant colors and improved clarity. Whether you are checking your notification using apps or just glancing at the time, everything looks absolutely stunning on this watch. But it's not just about the look. The Series 8 comes packed with cutting edge health and fitness features. Apple has taken health tracking to the next level with addition of advanced sleep tracking. And that's not all. One of the most exciting new features is the built-in blood glucose monitor. For individuals managing diabetes or simply conscious about their health, this feature is a game changer, providing real time insights into blood sugar levels. Another addition that sets the Series 8 apart is the integrated blood temperature sensor. It constantly monitors your temperature throughout the day, allowing you to keep track of any fluctuations and stay informed about your overall well being. Right. So now let's talk about the performance. The Apple Series 8 is powered by the latest S8 chip, delivering lightning fast performance and seamless multitasking. Whether you are launching apps, navigating through watch faces, or using Siri, everything feels snappier than even before. So let's talk about the battery time. Battery life is always a concern with smartwatches, but Apple has worked its magic once again. The Series 8 now offers an immersive battery life of up to 48 hours on the single charge, even with all new health features and performance improvements. Of course, the Series 8 maintains its signature seamless integration with Apple ecosystem. You can effortlessly pair it with your iPhone, receive notification, respond to messages and even make call right from your wrist. So whether you are a fitness enthusiast, a health conscious individual or just someone who loves stay connected, the Apple Watch Series 8 has something extraordinary to offer for everyone. That wraps up our overview of the incredible Apple Watch Series 8. We are blown away by the new design, the advanced health and fitness features, and improved performance. What do you think about the Series 8? Let us know in the comment below. If you found this video informative and exciting, give it a thumb up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next time. Bye bye.